Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We have a 2018 Dodge Challenger right here that we'll be demonstrating on. So let me go ahead, open the hood and we'll explain what we have here, guys. This right here is a 3.6, but even if you have a different engine it will work as well. We have tons of videos on that car. So that right here is the fuse box. You have one notch here, one here, squished towards each other, pull, put it on the side, and you have, guys, the layout here corresponds to what we have specifically here. The relay that you will need to check, guys, for the AC clutch. Before we get to it, if you want to see how to test the relays, any kind of relays, we'll put a link to a video that explains that in the description of the video below. Check it out. It's not very complicated at all and you will be able to find out if the relays are working or not. Now, which relay you need to check for the AC clutch? It's that relay right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Relay number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That relay. That's the one for the AC clutch, guys. We will have a video how to replace the AC compressor, the AC clutch. That's the AC clutch right there. And if you want to, if your stew does not work, guys, after you replace the relay, check fuses. But we'll have a special video that explains why AC clutch, why AC does not work on Dodge Challenger, and it will teach you what to look for, top reasons for that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.